be replacing my hot shoe for the Godox V1 flash for Sony. It's good. I like this flash. It's a very good flash. The only downside to it is that sometimes this also with the pins, it always gives issues when you're putting it into the flash for up the camera mount, so that's a problem. So today I'll be replacing the hot shoe. So I'm going to teach you how to quickly replace the hot shoe anytime you have it. Anytime you're having issues like this, anytime you're having issues with the camera and you see that the pins, I would advise you to quickly change it immediately. It's not very expensive, but I think it's something to do so that you don't keep forcing this into the camera, because at the end of the day it will end up damaging more things. So with this, you first need to get a screwdriver, portable screwdriver, that's good, and you also need to get the replacement shoe mount. I ordered this. It costs about plus shipping to my location because I'm in Finland. It costs about 30 euros. Shipping is just 5 euros. Because I have a job the next day and I know there's something that I really need. Just get this away. This is it, you know, this is the shoe mount. If you take this off, well, whatever the case may be, you can see that this is the shoe mount, and important, so you need to be very careful of this also too. So with this, you put the screwdriver, you fix it here, you take this out, take it gently, and before you start, yes, you have to make sure that you take away the batteries also too, very important. Take the batteries away to avoid every contact, so you keep the battery here and make sure you just have it, then screw it out, keep the screws, second one, third, so this is more like do it yourself, you know, instead of going to the camera store then collecting all your money, you have to learn to do this yourself, so it's easier. Yeah, so this is the fourth one. So carefully you take this out. You can see from here, you can see how it looks. So carefully take out the chip and the pin. Just take it out carefully. There, you can see, take it out carefully. So another important thing you need to notice that when you are fixing it, this comes in front. Understand? This comes in front, this goes at the back. This is very important. Anything you are fixing it, these are the things that you should note when you are doing this. So you put it here carefully and you slide it in. It's for people that have small fingers. Yeah, fix. Try it goes down. Can see. Make sure it goes down. Gently fix. So with this, voila, you know, see the fixing, easy peasy, you know, easy to fix, and you can see it is already in. I've already done the replacement. You close it. You can now first and foremost tighten it to ensure that your connectors are properly placed in the right place. Yeah, so take out the battery again. Still, please, anytime you are fixing anything electronic to the battery, you make sure you take out the batteries. Very important, please. So you put it here, as you can see, put the screws, put the second screw, I think the interesting thing is that Godox make this very easy to fix. These are one of the fun things I see I like about this. Easy to fix. Instead of taking it to the camera store, just do it yourself. Save yourself some money. Things are crazy out there, man. You have to try to save yourself some money. Learn to do things by yourself. Then the last part of the screw. Voila. So guys, so we are done with this already. You know, this is already broken. You can see closely. Look at some of the chips. They are already gone bad already. You see, they are gone bad already. It's going to cost a lot of bridge. So just order a new one, get a screwdriver, and take out the battery. Then you fix it. You know, this fixing, I think you'll be fine. You know, then able to turn it out. Take this out. You can see the difference between the clips of the mouth. So that's it. So that's it, guys. So that's a good one. So alright, guys, so thank you very much for listening. Thank you for coming along with me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and for every of our content that's going to be out there. Thank you very much, guys, for following through. Thank you for watching this episode, how to fix your Godox V1. Very nice flash, good flash. I have a lot of jobs to do tomorrow, so I need to get this out of the way to make sure that I can have on the top camera flash. If the need arises, you'll be able to use it. So that's how you quickly fix your flash and you're good to go. So I hope you've learned one or two things on how to fix this also. So thank you very much, guys. Keep learning, keep pushing, and bye bye.